Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. Firstly, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Security over here. Now you need to tap on Screen Lock and tap on the best locking method for you, pattern, pin or password. When you're ready, click on the chosen one and enter it right away. Then choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. After that, you need to select Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. And click on one of those options to answer the question, what do you want the lock screen to display? I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all, so I have to click on this option and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click Home button, then turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!